Welcome to this sacred space of inner wisdom. Choose any position that makes you feel most comfortable. Sitting or lying down. Gently close your eyes and bring your focus to the space between your eyebrows. Take a deep breath in and let it go. Look into the deep, mystical blue light of Lapis Lazuli, stretching like a beautiful night sky, full of stars. Awake your third eye. Trust your divine intuition. Trust the ancient wisdom hidden deep inside you. You see clearly. You know your path. Infinite guidance flows to you right now. Now, gently hold this sacred vision. Keep your deep, slow breath flowing until the end of the song. Let every inhale expand your awareness, and every exhale clear your mind of all illusions. Just breathe and see. Just breathe and see. Just breathe and see. As the music softly fades, gently return to your physical body. Feel your posture. Wiggle your fingers and wiggle your toes. Take one last deep, insightful breath. And when you are ready, gently open your eyes. Welcome back.